Hello children, good morning. Today I am going to teach for the students of class 9 lesson 4 and the name of the lesson is nutrition and food. Children, we complete lesson 4 in two parts. This is the part 1 and you have to see both part 1 and part 2 for understanding better. So in this part, this is the part 1 and in this part we will discuss the topic nutrition, food, component of food, and there are many components of food such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins, water and roughes. Okay. At first, we will discuss about nutrition. And nutrition is a life process. And you will learn in your next classes about nutrition and their types. But today, I am also going to teach you about some types of nutrition which is very essential for these chapters. Okay? Nutrition is a life process, that life process by which getting energy, obtaining energy, it means that process in which organism obtained energy, get energy, this process is known as the nutrition. It means for getting nutrition, they use some nutrients and the nutrients of known as the component of food. Component of food. Children, you know that there are different variety of food in the world, but all food provides similar energy. If you eat meat and your friend eats soybean, then both obtain similar amount of protein. So we will learn here about the varieties of food and the component of food in which there are different nutrients are present in them. Children, come on the topic. Nutrition is the life process by which we obtain energy for various functions such as respiration, digestion, transportation, etc. Now we'll discuss about the types of nutrition. There are, according to their main best, they have three types of nutrition such as saprophytic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, and holozoic nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, holozoic nutrition. Saprophytic, they feed the dead materials, dead and decaying matter known as the saprophytes. Parasitic, they depends on the other animals without killing them, known as the parasitic. And holozoic, that nutrition in which organism get energy in the form of solid or liquid, known as the holozoid. Now we will discuss about food. That substance which has different types of components, different types of nutrients, by which we complete metabolism action, known as the food. And now we'll discuss about component of food. Children, component of food, that food in which different types of component carry different types of energy, and they are very essential for us, such as, at first we will discuss about carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is a source of energy, major source of energy. Carbohydrates is a major source of energy, and they are source of dominant of energy. It means they are made of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Carbohydrates are made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The ratio of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen in 1:2:1. It means you see here the maximum amount of nutrient, the maximum amounts of elements which is present in carbohydrate is hydrogen. So carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, the ratio of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen is 1:2:1. Now we'll discuss about carbohydrate. It means they provide more energy, and they made of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. They are classified into 3 groups: monosaccharides, disaccharides, polysaccharide. Monosaccharide, disaccharides and polysaccharides are the kinds of carbohydrate. At first we will discuss about monosaccharide. It means that component, that part of carbohydrate in which the amount of glucose, the amount of starch in one form, known as the monosaccharide, such as glucose, fructose and galactose, and its common formula are determined by CH2O bracket N. It is the also common formula of carbohydrate. If anyone asks you what is the common formula of carbohydrate, then you say CH2O bracket N is the common formula of carbohydrate. And the kinds of carbohydrate, monosaccharide, the common formula of monosaccharides are also known as the CH2ON. It means monosaccharides common formula and carbohydrates common formula both is equal. So it is the example of monosaccharides: glucose, fructose and galactose. Now we'll discuss about disaccharide. What is disaccharide? Disaccharide: sucrose, maltose and lactose. This is the example of disaccharide, and the common formula of disaccharide is C12H22O11, and they are also known as the formula of sugar. Formula of sugar, which is used in our homes, such as kheer, tea, etc. Any sweets material are made by sugars, and the common formula of sugar known as the C12H22O11, and this is also known as the formula of disaccharide. Now polysaccharide, it means there is a many saccharides are present known as the polysaccharide. Two saccharides are present known as the disaccharide. One saccharide present in monosaccharide. Mono means one, di means two, and poly means many. So we say here mono one, di two, and poly many. So the amount of saccharide present in one known as the monosaccharide. The amount of saccharide in two form known as the disaccharide, and if the saccharide present in many types of saccharides are present in them, known as the polysaccharide. Starch, cellulose, and glycogen are the example of polysaccharide, and the common formula of polysaccharide C6H11O5 bracket N. N number C6H11O5 bracket N. Now the function of carbohydrate. The function of carbohydrate, they are the fundamental units of energy. They are the fundamentals unit of energy. They provide more energy, and if we don't get a proper amount of carbohydrate, then we suffer some disease like pain of the muscles, tiredness. So this type of disease are formed due to the deficiency of carbohydrate. Now we'll discuss about protein. Protein, you know about protein? In 1938, J. Berzelius, at first 1938, J. Berzelius saw protein. In 1938, 1938 में सबसे पहले इसे किसने देखा था? जे बर्जेलियस नेम्ड एक साइंटिस्ट थे, उसने देखा था प्रोटीन को. इसलिए द फादर ऑफ प्रोटीन known as the father of protein are, it means J. Berzelius. J. Berzelius is the father of protein, because at first 1938 they saw protein. Now we will discuss about protein. Proteins are classified into three groups, three kinds: simple protein, conjugated protein, derived protein. Simple सरल, that protein which is present in the form of simple, known as the simple protein, like amino acid. And conjugated protein, संयोग में conjugated, it means if one protein and some other materials are included in this kinds of protein, known as the conjugated protein, such as aluminum, albumin, globulin, and derived protein. Derived protein, that kinds of protein which is made up by the natural protein known as the derived, such as glycoprotein. Okay, glycoprotein. So this is the kind of protein. Now we'll discuss about the functions of protein. Children, proteins are very essential component of food, which is known as the bodybuilding part. Such as protein helps for growing and repairing of the body part, and they are also formed DNA and RNA. So proteins are called bodybuilding component, because they helps to repair all damaged part of the body. Okay, and also known as the proteins are obtained by pulses, soybeans, meat. They are provide both plants and animals. Some proteins are obtained from plants, some proteins are obtained from animals. In the plants, proteins which are obtained by plants known as the plant protein, and that protein which are obtained from animals known as the animal protein, such as fish, meat, milk provide protein through the animal, and pulses, vegetables, soybean are obtained from plants. So this is the very useful and very essential, very needs to human beings for growing and repairing the damaged part of the cell or body. Okay, and now we'll discuss about fats. Children, there is a very common difference between the carbohydrate and fats. Here 1 gram of carbohydrate provide 4.2 kg calorie. It means 1 gram carbohydrate provide 4.2 kg calorie, but 1 kg fat provide 9.4 kg calorie, approximately 9.43 ऐसे ही देता है. तो 1 kg फैट्स, 1 ग्राम फैट्स 9.4 kg कैलोरी प्रोवाइड करता है. सो कार्बोहाइड्रेट are made up of hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Similarly, fats are made up by carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, but in this the amount of oxygen are less. if we compared थ्रू कार्बोहाइड्रेट, यानी कि कार्बोहाइड्रेट में जो कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन का जो अमाउंट है 1:2:1 में है, लेकिन जो फैट्स में जो इनका रेशियो होता है, ऑक्सीजन का अमाउंट बहुत ही लेस होता है. बट दे आर आल्सो मेड ऑफ कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन. ओके, they have also capacity to provide more energy than carbohydrate. You see here 1 gram 4.2, 1 gram 9.4. So we see that the amount of energy through fats more than carbohydrate. Carbohydrate, the sources, the dominant source of energy, but also fats known as the major source of energy. Fats stored beneath to the our skin and stored for future use. Fats stored under the skin for further uses. And fats are also classified into two forms, two kinds. First, animal fats and protein fats, like animal fats and plant fats, like protein. Okay, fats are classified into two forms, animal fats and plant fats. Animal fats, that fats which are obtained from animals, known as the animal fats. Milk, milk product, egg, fish, meat. And that types of fat which is provided through plants, known as the plant fats. Okay, now based on their classified group, we also say saturated and unsaturated fat. Saturated fat and unsaturated fat. Saturated fat. Now we'll discuss about saturated fats. Saturated fat and unsaturated fat. That types of fat which is made of single bond, and in it is made of single and double and triple bond. It is in these fats single bonds are present, and unsaturated fats made of double and triple bond. Animal fats such as butter, ghee are called saturated fat. Vegetable oils